Welcome to our next adventure. So we're at Edenpark for this adventure. We've just come from Modimolle Holiday Resort. You can see that in our previous video. It's been quite a nice drive here. We stopped at a couple of pad stalls.
Morning, how are you?
Fine, thanks.
Good, good. Okay, I'll have a steak pie, please.
So we're on our way to our next destination and we stopped at a pad stall. As you know, I like stopping at pad stalls. And what a nice surprise again. They've got a little aloe nursery here.
In 300 meters.
And now we've arrived at the gate here and the gate is locked because we've managed to actually phone them and they're going to get somebody to come and unlock the gate. It's apparently not supposed to be locked. And we can get in and then we can show you what the camping weekend here at Edenpark is like. Park the van, set up the gazebo this time, and this is our site. Just look, there's the van, and look at the view that we've got from the van. That is our view. So how brilliant is that? And there we go. Sandra and Daniel is almost set up. That's their setup there in their tent. Nice and cozy. Also a nice site under all the trees here. What more can you want? Iced coffee, sun going down, and beautiful view into the bush. Fires are going. We are just sitting, chilling around the fire, catching up with everybody, so we're not really picking up the camera much today. And we'll probably see you in the morning, but we're going to make some supper now, have something to eat, and just catch up with everybody around the fire. So we'll see you in the morning.
Now, very last time she bought another chicken sausage. Edible, but not. And he mentioned the fact that I read you movie in a wat. That's another story, right?
Morning, folks. We're off to go and have a shower. It was a bit of a rough night last night and a late night. So we sat around caring around the fire till about 1:45 in the morning. And it's now just about 7:30 in the morning that we've woken up. So it's been really a long day already. Anyway, I'm gonna go and shower, so I thought it's a good time to actually show you the ablutions here. We actually have our own private ablution. So when you sign in at reception here, you actually get your keys to your own private bathroom. So let's go and show you what is that like, camping 5-star. So you can see the vans parked there, and right there is our bathroom. So let's go and show you what those look like inside. So firstly, you've got a little wash up area over here, and we've got our kettle and our coffee machine out here. And then right there you've got the bathroom, little shower, toilet, and your basin. Right, I'm gonna go and freshen up and let's get this day started. All showered up. Going to have another cup of coffee, and then we'll see if there's anything to eat anywhere, or if anybody got any plans to make like a breakfast or something. It's only about 9 o'clock in the morning and it's already boiling hot out there. Just got out of the shower and I'm already sweating all over. But anyway, let's have coffee and see what there is for breakfast. breakfast with a beer. Well, it's actually not really breakfast anymore because it is about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and we've just started having breakfast. Well, for breakfast, bacon, egg, croissant, and some leftover wars from last night. So that's how we start the day, but it's not starting in the day anymore. This is sort of lunch, we call it brunch. Let's go and walk off some of those calories from that breakfast brunch. So come for a walk, let's show you what the bush looks like. This time I was clever enough to bring myself a water. Absolutely delicious. And this heat, this is beautiful. Okay, we found a little spot here with a nice tree, and it looks like it's a camping spot. Maybe they do overnight camping here or something like that, because there's a fire pit. There is a tap and there is a bin over there, and you've got this massive tree behind us. Stunning. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Daniel's just checked his phone, and it's still 34 degrees, and we are walking in it. So it's bloody hot out here, but we're really enjoying this walk out again in nature, in the bush, just having a look at all the trees and all the plants growing. It's every corner you go around, it's different. It's stunning walking out here, and there is a couple of animals out here because we've seen a lot of animal droppings. So that was our walk. We did about a 2-hour walk. We're close to camp now again, and then we're going to see if we can find a spot maybe to try and get some sort of sunset. Dan, wat dink jy van ons walk?
Ach, it was fantastic.
Fantastic. Lovely.
Nice to get out in nature.
Yeah, absolutely.
Bit of fresh air.
Fresh air, stretch the legs,
All that appetite tonight.
clear the mind. Why not?
Yeah.
Lekker. So we'll see you when we do maybe a sunset if we can find one. So that's what I needed after that walk. Just cool down. Just get the body nice and cool again. We've come for a sunset here at the Hyde. There's a watering hole there. There was some impalas just before we got here, so hopefully maybe they'll come back. But we're here for sunset. They're having a beer, so cheers. Early morning, having coffee. Gonna go visit Sandra and Daniel across the road from us with our coffee. Well, there we go. We mostly packed up, having some granola and yogurt for breakfast. So how quick it was for us to pack up. The rest of our camping crew is still busy. They're the guys with the tents and the caravan. So let's see the difference in timing from us packing up and the amount of work they've got to do to pack up. And then you decide which is easier, to come and camp in a tent, caravan, or a van like ours and only putting out a gazebo. So yeah, we're still having the same view and enjoyment, which is not working as hard as that crew. Let's show you what that looks like. Well, there we go, folks. We've made it to Spoofs for, well, it's not really breakfast, it's brunch. So before we hit the long road back home after our beautiful trip. So let's see what Spoofs is like. And then we're gonna hit the road. So let's go. Waiting for our brunch to arrive here at Spoofs. Spoofs is actually a chicken farm and they've got a pad stall inside, and then outside they've got a coffee shop. Really is quite nice. We'll see what the food is like and we'll tell you if the food is okay. So maybe if you're ever in the area and you come past here, maybe it's worth it, but we'll check now once we start eating. We're just standing looking at the view from Spoofs. As luck wants it, Sandra and Daniel's car is broken down. We tried to stop and help, waiting for towing guys. I tried to move the van out of the way, and all of a sudden the van didn't want to start. We've been here now for about 45 minutes or so. I've been playing around with wires and all sorts to try and see if I can find the problem. We phoned the towing trucks, they're on their way now, and I thought kept on struggling, tried to start it. It's just managed to start. So we're going to try and see if we can carry on going and see how far we can go. Hopefully it doesn't die on us. But at the moment, so far, we managed to get it started. So let's see how this road trip ends.
The thingamajig back together again.
What? Table?
No.
Dashboard, yeah.
Yes.
So we're making space in the vehicle for everybody. Let's see if we can get going. I thought this was going to be a boring video of us camping. But no, breakdowns make things exciting. So this is where we start next to the highway, and the highway is very, very busy. So this is what the van looks like when we have a breakdown. We're still on the road. We've stopped at the petrol station to put in some petrol. We've still got Dan in the car.
How's that?
How are you feeling, my boy?
Alright.
It's a bit stressful with your car broken, but
That's life.
that's life. We'll get us home. Once we're home, then we'll sort out all the rest of the stress. But for now, we're on the road. First time we're having 4 people in the van. Very, very interesting.
So the video is not over just yet. Once we get home, we'll sign off. Right, so we've left the petrol port. We've got petrol. We're about 40 k's or 40 minutes away from home. Still got Sandan in the back. Say hello, guys. So yes, so far so good. Van's running well so far. We're going to take these guys to our house, then transfer everything and go back to their place. So when we get home, we'll probably only sign off this video unless something more interesting happens on the way. Let's hold thumbs that nothing else happens. So if you see us at home, then you know all went well. See you shortly. It was a bit stressful, but we've made it home safe. We're going to unpack Sandra and Daniel's stuff now and then take them back home, and then we'll come and unpack the van tomorrow or sometime like that. But for now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this kind of videos and see us camping in the van, struggling with the van, then give this video a like, give us a subscribe. That will help immensely to help grow the channel. If you want some notifications, ring the bell and all those other lovely things. And then from here out, remember, get out there, go and explore the sunshine for yourself. We don't know where, we don't know when, but we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.